everyone, it's me again. eLearning Hub is signing on to share with you another video that will give information on how to fix your built-in camera when it is not working. This is what I have encountered during my virtual class. My camera was not functioning. I was not able to see my face. I was really worried that time because I really need it for my virtual presentation. My practice every time I have my virtual class is always turning on my camera because I want my students to see me. So if you could also encounter this problem, this video will definitely solve your problem. This is what I did. First, I checked my camera if it is activated or not. So I went to the setting. My setting was pinned on my taskbar so that I could click anytime. So this is my setting. It will appear immediately the window. However, if you did not pin on your taskbar, you just go to the search box and encode setting. So I will close this one first. Just go here and encode setting. And then here, click. Now, here you could click these devices, or it could be encode here the camera immediately. And then press the enter key, and then another enter key. And then here, you could find the camera. So you could know, guys, that it is already on. But since there is a problem that I have encountered, so I'm going to turn it off and then turn on. So I'm going to click now my camera. So you could notice, guys, that the camera is already pinned on my taskbar. So I will click now. So my camera is still not working, even though I turn on. Let's try another strategy. On your keyboard, there is an icon like this. This is what I have discovered. On my laptop, it is on F10. Some laptops, you could find this icon on the other function keys. Just press the key to turn on your camera. So I'm going to press the F10 key where this icon is located to turn on my camera. So guys, you can see it is working now. So it means, okay, I could turn on my camera using my keyboard. That is how to fix your camera once it is not working. The built-in camera is different from the camera that you have installed in your laptop, just like a snap camera. So I have here a snap camera. This kind of camera has some updates that you need to install in order to work. So you have to install the updates. I hope this video will help you in fixing your camera. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is eLearning Hub, reaching you wherever you are. Stay connected and be enlightened. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click also the notification bell down below in order for you to be notified for the next video.